Hi, today we are going to introduce our CNC operation simulation software, which code for short is RenAn. We have different controller models. We have for Fanuc, Siemens, Mitsubishi, and RenAn. For example, I choose Fanuc Turning or ITF. Double-click to open. This is the entire machine, mainly for 3 parts. Left side is the 3D machining simulation area. Right side is the controller panel and operation panel. Scroll the mouse to zoom in and zoom out. Click the middle mouse and drag to move the machine. Left click and drag to switch to different view angle. And left side is the assistant buttons. First is the CNC file import and export. Thread tool setting. Material setting. Simulation speed adjustment. Reset material. Clear toolpath. And below are the different view angles. First is top view, front view, side view, ISO view. And we can hide the machine case or show the machine case. So click once to hide the machine case. Click twice to hide the tailstock. And click again to show the machine case. So now we hide the machine case. And here are the different views. We have machine view, table view, and material view. So you can see the machining clearly. And we can show the 0 point and show the tool path. So you can see the tool path while we machining. And this one is the tool setting display state. So you can see the tool setter. And we have the measurement function. This one is the profile. And sound control. You can sound on or sound off. Right side is our controller panel. It can be maximized, middle, or minimized. Below is the operation panel, which is modular design, because on the real machine, the operation panel is very complicated. For beginners, the whole operation panel is too complicated for them. They don't know which mode to operate, and they don't know which related buttons are functional. So we make it modular design. When we turn to different mode, only the related buttons will come up. For example, when you turn to handle mode, you can see the hand wheel and the spindle control. When you switch to the RenAn mode, you can see the axis button and the rapid override. In the software, there's an example program. So now we can run the program. When we turn on the machine, the first step is to return to the home position. So we switch to the RenAn mode and click X-axis. And we can turn off the sound. When the X-axis already go back to the home position, the axis button will light up. You can also click positions to check. You click the POS position buttons to check. As you can see, the x-axis already becomes 0. Then we click D, and it already go back to the home position. So now we can switch to auto mode, and we click program, PROG buttons, so you can see the programs here. And in the auto mode, we can click the cycle start to run the program. So it starts the machining. We can switch to different view to see much clearly. It's now doing the rough cutting, and you can see the tool path. So we can switch to top view and speed up. So you can see the tool path. There will be the chips and the coolant. So after the rough cutting, now it's doing the finish cutting. And with different tools, the tool path will show in different color. So the rough cutting tool is in gray tool path, and the finish cutting tool is in pink tool path. Now it's doing the threading, so the tool path is in yellow. Okay, so now we finished the machining. We can do the measurement. We click measurement. And if the tool path you check is correct, we can erase, we can clear the tool path. So now we can use the thread measurement. It has the instruction here. So you can, it will guide you how to measure. So we have to select 2 points. So we can zoom in.
Audio Jungle.
And I choose here. We can select the point using right click.
Audio Jungle.
So now is the point 1. You can see the coordinate here. And we select the point 2. So point 1's coordinate, point 2 coordinate, and the measurement result comes up. The angle is 60 and the pitch is 2. Okay, so we finished the measurement. That's for today's introduction. Thank you for watching.